It's a new year, and for Britain, there can only be one New Year's resolution: to stick to the long-term plan that is turning our country around. When we came to office, our economy was on its knees. 3.5 years later, we are turning a corner. We see it in the businesses that are opening up, the people who are getting decent jobs. The plan is working. That's why this year, 2014, we're not just going to stick to the plan, we're going to redouble our efforts to deliver every part of it, to benefit the whole country and to secure a better future for everyone. We're going to keep on doing everything possible to help hard-working people feel financially secure, cutting income taxes and freezing fuel duty. We'll keep on working even harder to create more jobs, whether that's through investment in our roads and railways, lower jobs taxes, or more help for Britain's amazing small businesses. We're going to keep on with our vital work on welfare and immigration too. We've already capped welfare and cut immigration, and this year we'll carry on building an economy for people who work hard and play by the rules. So this is a vital year for our economy. And 2014 is also an important date in the history of our United Kingdom. The referendum vote will be the biggest decision Scotland has ever been asked to make. Our family of nations is at its best when we work together with shared interest and common purpose. So this year, let the message go out from England, Wales and Northern Ireland to everyone in Scotland. We want you to stay, and together we can build an even stronger United Kingdom for our children and grandchildren. I'd like to wish everyone a Happy New Year and best wishes for 2014.